Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and that's called This Is My Thing Collab, and that's hosted by Yetra Kreahsiones, and I hope I said her name correctly. So now the co-hostesses of this collab are Arrow DIY, Sweet Little Home, Decorating Ann's Place, OK at Home DIY, Yetra Kreahsiones, Jackie Burns Creations, Kiki DIY, Deborah Cabasa, Daysi DIY, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. So what I'll be doing is linking the host and the co-hostess' channel down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure and head on over, full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and head on over to that playlist so that you can see everybody's wonderful creation. So what I decided to do for this DIY is to create this beautiful emerald green vase. Wait till you see the outcome of this. So what I'm doing now is I am giving it a first coat of paint with this emerald green color that I found at the Dollar Tree. Also, remember that all the items that I'm using, I will be listing it in the description box below. Most of the items are from the Dollar Tree. So I just wanted you to know that this is an open collab and it's also a monthly collab. So anybody can join right in. After giving the big vase first coat of the emerald green color, we're going to go ahead and color the inside of this sauce dish, which is going to play the stand for this vase. Okay, now here is the vase fully dry. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go in with that Mod Podge, and then we're going to go in with the glitter. So I'm going to give it one coat of Mod Podge, one coat of the glitter, and we're going to do that to both pieces. Now we'll wait until the bottom piece is dry, and this is what the pieces look like. Isn't that emerald green gorgeous? This is a wrap that I purchased at BB Crafts, and we're going to be decorating the top of that vase with that wrap, and it's a multicolor wrap, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. So just gluing that last piece down, and this is what the vase looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Now we're going to move on to the next step. What I decided to do here is it has some iridescent gems. So I'm just going to put randomly a few around that bottom piece, and then we're going to start the gluing process. Okay, so now I'm going to be using a permanent adhesive. You make sure and use the one of your preference. Make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area, and make sure you allow 24 to 48 hours for your project to dry completely.